Hi, I'm Riley Stahl, and this is my project. My sister helped me make it.
This is the Cootie Catcher right here. Alright, so there's one for Gacho, one for Zoro, one for Pero, one for Serpiente.
We have to pick one.
For example, if I pick Zoro's, it goes Z-O-R-R-O. And I have the options of Rojo, Azul, Verde, and Naranja. I'm going to pick Azul. A-Z-U-L. And I have the same options again. Rojo, I'm going to pick Rojo. So I flip up the Rojo, and it says, you will become the animal you chose earlier. So I will become a Zoro.
Which is the wolf.
Fox.
Now, if I were doing another one, let's do Serpiente this time.
S-E-R-P-I-E-N-T-E. I have same color options.
Verde.
E-E-R-D-E. And I have number options. I have uno, dos, tres, and cuatro.
Uno.
U and O.
Verde again.
And I pick Verde. You are the winner of the jackpot on playing blackjack.
Thank you for watching.